Welcome to KIDSSI Kids channel. Learn and have fun.
Oh, what is this rock? How did it come in front of me on the road? Oh, what I'm going to do now? Please help me. Help me. Help me. I have an idea. I'll call the lion Simba. He always helps others.
Oh my children, how much I love you and how lucky I am with you. Oh, who's calling at this hour? Yes, hello. Who is calling? Okay, I'm coming.
Simba, my love, who is calling?
It's the teddy bear. His car flipped on the road. I have to save him. Hey heroes, the teddy bear flipped his car, and I have to save him. What do you think? What hero will I turn into? Okay, I'm going to turn into a Hulk. Come on Hulk, let's go. Excellent. Now I'm ready. I'm coming bear.
Help! Help! Somebody save me! Help! Shit it!
I am so grateful to you, Lion Simba. You are really a hero.
Not at all, teddy bear.
I'm going to get some carrots. Oh no, what happened? Help me! Help me! Lion Simba, where are you? Help me!
Simba the lion, the rabbit Roro is in trouble.
Hey heroes. The rabbit Roro's house burned down. I have to save him. What do you think? What hero will I turn into? Okay, I'm going to turn into a Superman. Come on Superman. Let's go. Excellent. Now I'm ready. I'm coming Roro.
Oh, thank you, Simba!
It's my duty to help you. But Toro, next time you don't leave the house lights on while you're out of the house.
Okay, Simba. Thanks again.
Good job!
Wow!
Oh no! Help me! Help me! Lion Simba, where are you?
Simba the lion, the monkey Kiko is in trouble.
Kiko is in trouble? Okay. I'm coming. Hey heroes, the monkey Kiko is stuck in the tree, and I have to save him. What do you think? What hero will I turn into? Okay, I'm going to turn into Spider-Man. Come on Spider-Man. Let's go. Excellent. Now I'm ready. I'm coming Kiko. It is my duty to help you. But Kiko, next time you have to play with caution.
Thank you, Simba. You are really a hero. She's right. Next time I won't play too fast. Yahoo! La 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 la.
I will swim a little. The weather is beautiful. Oh no. Help me. Help me. Lion Simba, help me. Help me.
Simba the lion, the elephant Fafo is in trouble.
The elephant Fafo is in trouble? Okay, I'm coming. Hey Hero Batman, the elephant Fafo is drowning in the sea. I think you are the only one suitable for this task. I will turn into Batman. Excellent. Now I'm ready. I'm coming, Fafo.
Ooh, thank you, Simba. You're a real hero.
It is my duty to help you. But elephant, next time you must not play near the sea alone.
Oh baby. I haven't seen you much today.
Yes, darling. It was a really tiring day. I saved a bunch of animals. Hey! Who is knocking the door? Hey animals. What's going on? What do you want?
We're all here now to say thank you. You are truly our superhero. This is for you.
And this is for you. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you.
I really appreciate this. But this is my duty. No thanks for the duty, my friends.
Yoo-hoo! Simba hero! Simba hero!